Before we begin, the first thing we need to make sure is that we have all the tools that we need. There's two things we need. First, we need the extensibility workload installed into Visual Studio. This is a part of Visual Studio that brings in all of the tooling and the compiler support for creating and building Visual Studio extensions. So open the installer, make sure you have a check mark next to the extensibility workload, and if not, install it from here. The second thing we need is Extensibility Essentials. This is a community extension written by extension authors for extension authors. And it brings a whole lot of tooling and templates in that we're going to need going forward writing our extension, and it makes it all a lot easier. So make sure you have those two things before you continue.